Did you know that a full Brazilian wax can last up to 6 weeks, but many people are intimidated by the idea of doing it at home? Yep, that's right. The thought of waxing yourself can be a bit daunting, but don't worry. In this video, you'll learn how to do a full Brazilian wax at home, step by step, so you can achieve salon quality results without the high cost. It's going to be super easy, and I'll guide you through everything you need to know. So, let's get started. Many people struggle with the idea of waxing themselves, fearing the pain or the mess involved in the process. I get it. The thought of ripping hair out from the root can make anyone cringe. Plus, the fear of making a mess can add to the anxiety. But here's the thing, with the right tools and techniques, you can absolutely do this at home. You just need to approach it with a little preparation and confidence. Alright, first things first, let's talk about the tools you'll need. You'll want to grab some wax, either hard or soft, waxing strips, and a good pair of gloves. Trust me, gloves are a must to keep everything hygienic. You'll also need some baby powder to prep the area, and don't forget a soothing lotion or oil for afterward. Next up is preparation. Make sure the area you're working on is clean and dry. Apply a light dusting of baby powder to help the wax adhere better and to minimize any mess. Now, let's discuss the actual waxing technique. You'll want to apply the wax in the direction of hair growth, then quickly pull it off against the direction of growth. Timing is crucial here. Too slow and it might hurt more. Too fast and you could end up with a patchy job. And of course, a few tips to minimize pain. Try to take a deep breath and pull the strip off quickly. It's all about that quick motion. If you find it too painful, you can always take a break and come back to it. You've got this. Now, let's get to the key moment, the actual waxing technique. I'll show you how to apply the wax and demonstrate the pulling action. Make sure you're in a comfortable position, and when you're ready, apply the wax in a thin layer in the direction of hair growth. Remember, the thinner the layer, the better it will stick. Once you've applied the wax, place your strip over it and smooth it down, pressing firmly. Now, here comes the fun part. Hold your skin taut with one hand and with the other hand, quickly pull the strip off in the opposite direction. You want to do it in one swift motion. If you do it right, you'll be left with smooth skin and you won't even have to worry about the hairs for weeks. Just remember, practice makes perfect. Alright, let's recap the steps we took to complete the full Brazilian wax. We gathered our tools, prepped the area, applied the wax correctly, and pulled it off at the right angle. Mastering this skill at home not only saves you money but can also give you a sense of accomplishment. Plus, no more awkward salon visits. Don't forget to comment below with your experiences or questions. I'd love to hear how your waxing journey goes. And while you're here, check out my other videos for more beauty tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy waxing!